What if it was possible to turn back the clock on the aging process? What if it was possible to prevent diseases before they happen? What if it was possible to reverse the effects of the diseases that so heavily affect us in this day and age?
Each year, people will spend billions of dollars on anti-aging products. It's no shame or surprise that people want to remain healthy and youthful. The unfortunate truth to this reality, however, is that companies will exploit that desire in people. They do this by producing products that claim to be anti-aging in nature, but oftentimes lack substantiated evidence that they actually work. Our philosophy is to only bring you products that have ingredients that have true and clinical research behind them, so that if we make a claim, you can rest assured that that product works for you. With that philosophy in mind, I want to introduce you to a revolutionary anti-aging and cellular nutrition product called Vivify. Now, before I go into the product and how it can actually work for you, I think it's important that you understand the aging process and how it works. So what I want you to do is transport your mind back into your 10th grade biology class when you had a little lesson about something called the chromosome. If you remember, our chromosomes are those X-shaped things that house our DNA. Now, what they didn't teach you in 10th grade biology is that our chromosomes have tips. These tips protect our DNA. Those tips are called telomeres. A telomere acts much the same way as your shoelaces do with their plastic tips. You remember being a child and running around and stepping on the plastic tips of your shoelaces. As you did that, that tip would wear out. When it would wear out, your shoelace would fray and fade away, and you'd need a new shoelace for your shoe. This is what happens when we age. As our DNA replicates itself, our telomeres shrink. As they shrink, our DNA begins to unzip and fray. That's what aging is. The same process happens with any sort of malady in our body. You name it. Disease, autoimmune issues. Our DNA is not functioning properly and it's fading away, in large part due to that shrinking of our telomeres. I'm happy to announce that Vivify has the ability to go in and start lengthening your telomeres, effectively slowing the aging process.
Vivify contains ingredients that have been shown to aid in sustained cellular repair and regeneration and anti-aging. Let's go through the ingredient profile now. First and foremost, vitamin D3, but not just any vitamin D3, because I know what you're thinking. Can't I just go down to the health food store and buy a vitamin D product? You certainly could, but it's not going to do what this product does when combined with the other ingredients found within. This vitamin D3 is called cholecalciferol. Cholecalciferol has been shown to mildly increase circulating progenitor cells and to boost the immune system. Now, I know what you're asking. What's a progenitor cell? A progenitor cell is a biological cell similar to a stem cell. It's been proven that these progenitor cells can move through the body and migrate towards the tissue where they're needed most. Many properties are shared by adult stem cells and progenitor cells. Next, Zerveo Vivify contains a clinically proven pomegranate extract that protects our cells from free radical damage. Free radicals are particles that oxidize our cells, much in the same way that water turns metal to rust. This is important because our cells house our DNA. If our cells are healthy, then this product has more of an ability to go in and lengthen the telomeres that we mentioned before. Next on the list of amazing ingredients that are found within Zerveo Vivify is beta-1,3-glucan, which has been extracted from reishi mushroom. This substance has the extraordinary ability to bolster the immune system and free up your body's natural ability to regenerate and heal itself. Vivify also contains green tea and goji berry extract. These substances have been shown to mildly stimulate progenitor cell release, much like vitamin D, as well as reduce inflammation within infected tissues and damaged cells. Vivify also contains some influential probiotics, Lactobacillus fermentum and Lactobacillus acidophilus. These probiotics have been shown to protect new stem cells and progenitor cells from infection. They also aid in the increased absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream, so you can rest assured that the ingredients in the supplements are actually getting into your system. Finally, at the root of all of those issues that we talked about are those telomeres that have been shown to shrink as our DNA replicates itself. As mentioned, this product has the ability to aid those telomeres in staying longer, effectively protecting your DNA from aging. We do this by adding an amazing ingredient called astragalus root. Astragalus root is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to prevent cellular damage secondary to oxidation. It's also been shown to increase DNA life through lengthening those telomeres that we mentioned before.
Now that you have a better idea about how Vivify actually works, I hope you're excited about the potential of this product and how you can now share it with others. Like I mentioned before, the anti-aging industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry that's growing, but it lacks in products with true substantiated evidence and research that shows that they can work. Now, it's important to note that we're not doctors. We're not saying that this product has the ability to heal. All we're doing is we're stating the facts. These ingredients can create an environment within the human body that is more conducive to rejuvenation. So get out there and share it with your friends and family, because it's truly a game changer.